Everybody, it's Dave from JD Psych Works. I know you had your earphones off.
You're a jerk.
All right. Anyway, I blipped Jay. I didn't know she had her earphones off. I shouldn't be laughing. I'm not. So anyway, this is Dave from JD Psych Works. Today we have a 2023.5 CVO 121 VVT bike. We installed a TTS 195 VVT cam. It has a wedge air filter, a long Swicky exhaust pipe on it. We're running the Impact ECM. I'll show you how it did. All right, so the Swicky pipes, they're kind of hit and miss. You know, sometimes they do okay, sometimes they don't. So right now we have this bike rolled in with 122 and 103 horsepower, 122 torque. Now it's at 138.8 torque and 139.3 horse, pretty much 140 horsepower. This bike is fast. I think with a different pipe, it would definitely show a little better. But still, it's not bad at all. I think down here, the softness here has to do with the exhaust. Also, I'm realizing that the wedge air filters don't hit as hard as the big Screaming Eagle heavy breathers on these new bikes. Now, the Screaming Eagle heavy breather on the Gen 1 MH, that little tiny elbow thing is horrible. But these real big things they got on these, they seem to work really good for torque. So this is kind of how it turned out. We'll have some more coming at you to show you in the future how these cams are working now that we're messing with some VVT stuff. And it's pretty exciting to be able to move forward with these bikes. Hope you enjoy the videos. Please like and subscribe, and I'll try to keep them coming.